Cybercrime Law of 2012 Republic Act 10175. The Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 is the law in the Philippines which specifically criminalized computer crime. It was established under the presidency of Joseph Estrada and continued during the term of Macapagal Gloria Arroyo. The final version of Act was signed into the law by President Benigno Aquino III on September 12. What is RA 10175? It aims to address legal issues concerning online interaction. It includes cyber squatting, cyber sex, child pornography, identity theft, legal access to data, and libel. What are the cybercrime offenses? Number 1, illegal access, the access to the whole or any part of a computer system without the right to do so. Number 2, interception. The interception made by technical means and without right of any public transmission of computer data to, from, or within a computer system, including electromagnetic emission from a computer system carrying such computer data. Number 6, the acquisition of a domain name over the internet in bad faith to profit, mislead, destroy reputation, and deprive other from registering the same if such a domain name is acquired without right or with intellectual property interest in it. Number 1, computer related forgery, the input, alteration, or deletion of any computer data without right, resulting in authentic data with intent that it be considered or acted upon for legal purposes, as if it were authentic, regardless whether or not the data is directly readable and intelligible, or the act of knowingly using computer data which is the product of computer-related forgery as defined herein for the purpose of perpetuating a fraudulent or dishonest design. Computer-related. Number 2, computer-related fraud, the unauthorized input, alteration, or deletion of computer data or program, or interference in the functioning of a computer system, causing damage thereby with the fraudulent intent, provided that if no damage has yet been caused, the penalty possible shall be 1 degree lower. Number 3, computer related identity theft, the intentional acquisition, use, misuse, transfer, possession, alteration, or deletion of identify information belonging to another, whether natural or juridical, without right, provided that if no damage has yet been caused, the penalty impossible shall be 1 degree lower. The unlawful or prohibited act defined and punishable by Republic Act Number 9775, or the Anti-Child Pornography Act of 2009, committed through a computer system, provided that the penalty to be imposed shall be 1 degree higher than that provided for in Republic Act Number 9775. Number 3. Unsolicited commercial communications. The transmission of commercial electronic communication with the use of computer system which seek to advertise, sell, or offer for sale product and services are prohibited unless a there is prior affirmative consent from the recipient, or B, the primary intent of the communication is for the service and or administrative announcement for the sender to the existing users, subscribers, or customer, or number 3. Insulated commercial communication. C. The following conditions are present. A. The commercial electronic communication contains a simple, valid, and reliable way for the recipient to reject recipient of further commercial electronic messages from the same source. B. The commercial electronic communication does not purposely disguise the source of the electronic message. And C. The commercial electronic communication does not purposely include misleading information in any part of the message in order to induce the recipient to read the message. Number 4. Libel. The unlawful prohibited act of libel as defined in Article 355 of the Revised Penal Code as amended, committed through a computer system or any other similar means which may be devised in the future. 23 agencies that are tasked to enforce and implement the law. Number 1. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. Number 2. Philippine National Police, PNP. Number 3. Department of Justice, DOH.